During this Advent season, maybe.
So what is your ornament?
I chose an ornament with pictures of my summer vacation with my family.
That's cool. What made you pick that?
To be honest, it was our only ornament that was out, and my mom didn't feel like getting them. But
Cool though.
it's like recent memories, so it's nice.
My ornament is a little snow globe, and it has my name on it, and it's like sort of unique because my name isn't on a lot of things. So I was just
cute.
excited. Yeah, that's it.